Hi guys, today we're going to look at the package I received from Russia. This is a graphics card I've been looking for a while, and got stuck in customs for like 4 weeks. That's why there's a sticker from Brussels airport. Apparently they opened it, so let's go ahead, open the box.
Really excited about this. Again, you can see they have opened it. See what's in it.
They sent me a letter because they want to know what's in there. So I told them it's an old graphics card from 2003. And it's worth 20 euros. Otherwise I had to pay taxes if it was more than that, so let's see. Okay, almost there. Wow. Finally got my hands on this. So here we have it. It's NVIDIA VIX 5800 Ultra, and looks to be in very good condition. So as you know, it's a card from 2003 and it's a little bit infamous because it was a pretty bad card actually. But for more technical details, I will give you a link to PixelPipes video, which has an excellent explanation of all this. But right now I'm gonna stop the video and enjoy this card. See you guys, bye.